Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. I've really been wanting one of these olive oil sprayers. This one is from FLAIROSOL and it has been working great for me. I really love the beautiful bottle. This is glass here on the bottom and it has this gold leaf design, and for me this is the perfect amount of olive oil, the perfect size bottle that I can easily store in my cabinet. The trigger here is leak-proof and it also has a continuous spray design. So every time you spray and you push the nozzle all the way down, it is 1 gram of whatever you have in here. Of course, I have olive oil, but you can put water, salad dressing, vinegar. I do not like pouring my olive oil out of the bottle itself. I feel like I always get too much and it's not where I want it, especially on salads. I like to just spritz it. And then when I'm cooking, this is really nice to be able to measure out exactly how much you're getting. It has a great filter system here so that you will not get any clogs. It also has this red cap that is easily removable, but if you are transporting this, it is a great option to be able to put that in there so it doesn't spray all over the place. This is leak proof, it's drip proof, and it's made with food grade glass. I am really loving this bottle. It's a quality product. I've had no issues with it. And now I finally have my olive oil sprayer. So if you are looking to get one, I would highly recommend this. This would be a great gift to get somebody. But that's just my point of view.